Hey guys, welcome to Happy Coding for Everyone channel. Before starting our tutorial series, I want to give a couple of tips about study. As you see on screen guys, there are three important points. One of them is daily studying, the other one daily practicing, and the last one is review other developer codes. Creating specific amount of time per day for studying is very important guys. For example, let's say 15 minutes per day and it makes 1 hour 45 minutes. That 1 hour 45 minutes is better than just working single day, let's say 3 hours, 4 hours. So daily studying is very important. Also daily practice. You might watch that videos again and again, but you should also type your code on your side. Just watching will not help you to learn coding. And reviewing other developer codes. All developers in this field have their perspective and they approach projects differently. So you may consider to have a look at their code and then check what sort of approach they use for their project. You may learn lots of things reviewing different developers' codes. Again, thank you so much for registering our course. See you in the next video.